Alright, so the first couple of movements in your double stick form are the blocks. And they are very, very similar to what you do with a single stick. And with a single stick you often use your rear hand, but now you've got a stick in that hand as well. So the principles are going to be very, very similar, but we'll have a look at the differences. So your guard, you're going to start just like so. Not hugely straight on, okay, but not completely square either. And one side slightly in front of you, and your stick's just angled in. This means they're halfway to a high block, for example, and halfway to a side block, rather than favouring one over the other. Now the high block is the first one. Imagine someone's coming straight down to hit you on top of the head. Both sticks are going to come up like so to stop them, here. Now there's a slight gap, they're not completely touching, but not too far away either, otherwise one could miss. I'm punching forwards. And if I just hold the stick up here and someone hits, this could come straight through and I hit myself with my own stick. So be sure to roll the sticks in and punch forward. So that is number one, and at the same time as you do this, you want to move to the side. Now as you move to the side, I'm going to let the left stick angle slightly like so, as I push my right stick forwards. This means that one stick is going to control my opponent's weapon, and this leaves me a space to come forwards with my other weapon. So the whole move should be block, angle, and push forwards. Okay, again, block, angle, push forwards. Then after I've done that, I'm going to move to the other side, and I'm going to block like so. Now this, imagine if someone's coming in from the side to hit you anywhere along here. My first stick blocks, the other one can hit them, so they try to hit me. And if you do this at the same time, this is much faster and more efficient than doing one and then the other. And the third move is simply the same thing on the other side. One stick is blocking sideways, the other one is going forwards. So those movements put together should look 1, 2, and 3. Again, comes up, angles off and hits. Both coming down, same movement with each arm, just one's aiming to the side and one's going forwards. Give it a go.